I'm looking at the eufy security Wi-Fi video doorbell kit. Now it's comes sleeved. Let's open the box up. This has got a 1080p resolution, 120-day battery, I suppose, depending on use. There's no monthly fees with it. Yeah. So, pack instructions, I suppose. Two-way audio with it. I see that's the plug-in Wi-Fi bell. There's a doorbell. Let's see, micro USB. I shall have a good read through the instructions and set it up on the door. And here we've got fitting plate for it, which it fits on. So you've got two fittings. You've got an angled one if you want. And this is a USB cable. This is I'm just trying to see there. It's micro USB charging and some screws. And that seems to be it. As I say, I shall have a good read through the instructions, install the app. I'll put an SD card in it. It needs an SD card. And I shall come back when I've set it up and give it a good try out. Now I've been using this for a few days and all seems to be working well. I've got this plugged in behind the sofa. The SD card is in there. And I'll have a look at the front door in a minute where I fitted the bell. It seems to be giving good signal. It's very quick, but I'll show that. And I've also linked it up with the Amazon skills to the Alexa, so that notifies me as well when someone's at the door. This is the bell now fitted on the front door. Fits fairly solidly. It's got a release tiny hole which is a bit awkward to release and take the bell off for charging. You can't replace the battery in it, so you have to charge it overnight, which is, they say, around every 3 months, so which isn't too bad. I don't know whether you can hear from the inside if I ring it how quickly it notifies, because the bell itself rings. This is the main app with the eufy doorbell. Shows your events, security. You can set different schedules when you're away. You can set the sensitivity. Now on mine, because I've got a lot of traffic going past my door, I've just got it on. It records when someone rings the bell, but you can have it as a sensor and you can adjust that. If we look at the live, it's recording. You can have the sound on to hear outside or not. It's got a quite wide view on it. Go back there. I've got this, as I say, I've got this linked up to the Alexa, so that notifies me as well. You've got adjustments on the door chime, the storage. I can check the storage, adjust the storage, format the card from there, and that's all internal, the card. You can rename the doorbell. You got time settings, ring settings. You can change the tone of the ring, alarm settings, change the notification. Pair device, which I haven't got. And you got settings on the door chime. The same. Sorry, that's the doorbell. That's the door chime. The doorbell. You can Put the camera on, off, the LED, auto night vision on, logo watermark if you want. As I say, the motion detection I haven't got on. Power management, you can adjust the power so the battery lasts longer. You can adjust the video quality. It's lit out there, so I don't need a higher WDR on there. Got the audio settings, doorbell volume, notifications, same as there, storage, indoor chime, quick response, add a quick response. Yeah, I shall keep going through it and give it a good test out, and then I'll come back with my review on it. My only reservations about it at the moment is I'd like to be able to change the battery in it rather than have to take it off to charge it. But apart from that, I mean, it's all working well and seems to be doing the job. I find the response very quick between the ringing of the bell and the indoor notification. So, as I say, I shall come back with my full review.